who have come with us here, the members of the Council of Elders who are here, wazee wetu, viongozi, wale ambao mmezungumza mbele yangu. This is of course a very unusual time where we are supposed just to mourn, be quiet, and talk only what is necessary, because the last 2 weeks or so have been points of reflection because of the life of Mzee Raila Odinga, our former Prime Minister. Like many people here, I would take time to say many things about my interaction with Baba and how we've come all the way. But let me start first of all, Mama, by thanking you sincerely for finding time and agreeing that we see you briefly. And you are going to see many of us, because if there's anything that Raila did in his life, to be very honest with you, is that Raila succeeded to put Nyanza together. And both Nyanza and Kisi Nyanza, this division was not there. I told you when we spoke this morning that every time you sat with Raila, it was an opportunity for you to learn history that you didn't know, or to learn something and understand something you didn't know. He knew everything about people. He would tell me about, I was shocked when we were in a function one time in Nyamira, and he was telling me a long story about that place and some wazes around there. I didn't know how he got to know them, but he knew a lot of people. And it means he was very close to people. And because of that, you have seen an outpouring of love from all of us in Nyanza. I am sure, I am aware that there are at least 2 other groups of people from Kisi who are coming to see you. Grassroots leaders, women leaders, others who want to spend time with you. You have seen another 2 groups and you are seeing us today. It will continue like this because of the relationship and the environment that Mzee cultivated within this area. And Mzee Raila had a way of dealing with all of us. Even when there were tough times, he always had a way of getting us together to ensure that we focused on one thing. I'll only make 2.1. Mama, there is no way anybody can sensibly and comprehensively speak about the life of Prime Minister Raila Odinga. The only responsibility I think we all have, those of us who are alive now, is to leave his legacy, to try and follow in his footsteps. I don't think there will be any other person like Raila Odinga, so we shouldn't even talk about there will be someone